In 3D modeling, before texturing, it is important to create a correct UV map of the model. For this task there is a rather simple and convenient program, Rizom UV. My name is Andre, and on my channel I describe complex functions of programs in simple language. Put a like and see more videos that will help you in simplifying your work. In this video, I will show you how to straighten the borders of UV islands of your 3D model. First, I'll quickly talk about why you need to straighten the UV. For example, you have a 3D model like this. You want to get an imperceptible transition here, at the corner. If the islands aren't straightened, you're going to get a noticeable ugly defect. This will happen because the pixels are square-shaped. The pixels of the borders of the islets will only fit tightly together without defects, if they have exactly the same flat edge. Now let me show you how to straighten UV islands. Export the 3D model in FBX or OBJ format from your modeling program, Blender, Maya or something else. I model in Maya, and export FBX file from it. We open Rizom and choose one option, download with, or without UVs. That is, you can create a UV in another program, and in Rizom only correctly pack the islands. But we need to create a UV. We don't have one yet. So I'm opting for a simple load without UV. Here's our model with different polygon sizes. I created this model especially for this tutorial. I will cut the model as I need. I remind you the main rule of creating a good UV, all hard edges must be cut. I've cut the model. Now I need to straighten the UV islands. To make the pixels fit tightly together, I will do unfold, optimize, and pack of the UV islands to start with. Feel free to write in the comments that the video starts from this minute. There are two variants of UV straightening, easy and difficult. In the first option, you just select the island, and choose the straightening direction, from the Straighten menu. If this method doesn't work or you're not satisfied with it, there is a second way. The second method is a bit longer. In it I will use the Constraints menu. You need to select the edges that should be straight and specify vertical or horizontal. These edges should be vertical. I'm going to select them, and I'm going to select the vertical segment. And these edges should be horizontal. For them, I select the horizontal segment. This method works much better, because after straightening, the islands stay straight. Even if you apply unwrap and optimize again, the islands will keep their shape. After straightening, polygons may be colored blue or red. The color indicates the stretching of the texture. The stretch coefficient is signed below the color scale. I try to keep this coefficient within 3 scales of 1. That is, between 0.625 and 1.375. If the coefficient is not in this range, and optimize doesn't solve the problem, then you need to change the UV. For example, look for places on the model that are the least noticeable. In these places, you can leave a bad texture stretch coefficient, or make a cut there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you still have any questions, then write them in the comments. I or my subscribers will try to answer them, and help you. And you subscribe to my channel, give me a like and learn more useful features about simple programs.